Here goes, Mama.
Good girl. There's Greyson. Oh. Oh, he's stretching. Oh, that's perfect. Greyson. Oh, see Mimi?
It might be too dark in here. Alright, let's see if he does the hand thing. And I'm out. Oh, I look like a little smile.
You know, he's going to be the most photographed baby in the world.
In the world?
In the world. In the entire world. He's going to have the paparazzi. Of course, his paparazzi is going to be his mama and his Mimi, but paparazzi all the same. You think he's really trying to wake up?
Yeah. See what he's doing with his mouth?
Yeah. What is that? What's he doing? What you doing, Greyson? Whoop.
What's that sound, probably?
You know, I wonder if, sometimes my arms jerk like that. And they say it's a sensation of you're literally falling asleep. It's in your sleep.
Oh.
Uh-oh, here he comes. He's waking up now. Greyson's waking up.
Yeah, right.
Do it. He's trying to wake up. Greyson, your public awaits. Uh-oh. He's the most vocal little thing. Ooh.
Mama, get that out of his mouth. What the heck? Yeah, okay.
I like those close-ups.
Say okay until you start paying me. There he is.
Oh, there he goes. You see Mimi? You see Mimi? You're gonna look. He's not gonna wake up. Greyson, let me get at least one good picture of you with your eyes open. Oh, here he comes. There. Well, hey.
Is it not too dark?
Hey there. It's taken. It is dark in here, though. Probably a picture wouldn't. Hey, Greyson. Uh-oh. What? Where's your daddy?
I don't know. I don't know.
You want to go home with Mimi?
No.
Want to go home with Mimi?
No.
We have spaghetti. Yummy. Have spaghetti. Just wait till you get into that. We have to buy the apple juice and stuff. When do you start doing them anyway? Feeding them normal food?
I don't know.
I mean, not normal food, baby food. Because I start getting you some. I knew how picky you are.
Okay, Mama.
I know. I just kind of. He's gonna open his eyes now. This will have to be my Greyson fix until like Tuesday or whenever I can come back. Okay, Greyson. Mimi's got to go for real this time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Get out of my face.
I love you. Okay, let's swing around and we'll get. Thank God Shane's not here to give me a hard time about my Zoom.
And I'll get JC at least.
Okay. We're not going to be. We'll get JC. Let's zoom in for JC. JC, Get it.
She's like Greyson. She's like, I don't want to wake up.
Let me go around. Let's try to get a... Oh, wait a minute. I have to turn it off and get a...